even on the live, just if me turn on my live and watch Sicily and World Dawg, me can't sit down on my live well deal with them on the board. I cannot watch a movie so long. I cannot listen to artists for an entire day. I cannot, bro, them man, them great. So when I see people come here and chat them shit, and there's some of we will lock up in our house and can't get $1 on the app, but we're so stressed, and them people help relax you and make we get a laugh. You know how much people depressed right now, and wish them could have get a laugh, and also watch them on the gimmicks and twist them and them and dress up in a blood clot outfit and go and something, and World Dawg with them little youth and everybody. You see me? If the same person that want me talk about, we sit down and chat me. Sometimes you listen to some things when them say you laugh too. You get me I say? Because we see everything, we know everything, but guess what now? Bro, the blessing we me have to use it and bless other people. You get me I say? Me have 40 this year. And from 0 go right up to about 17, my father killed up himself to make me can live comfortable. But me not used to riches. And me get bashing from family, me get ill treating from family. You get me I say? Me get locked up already. I go through things with gunmen, I go through things with police, I live the life. I learn the life. That's why I have knowledge. I have a whole heap of knowledge. I can guide people around me, I can talk to people. Sometimes I give people tough love and people don't like it. But what? You have to show people because I have any idea.